There was once a man who was really rather rich, and he had two boys, the youngest one of which got bored of his life and decided one day that he'd had enough and he'd take himself away. He said,
"Hey, Dad, give me half of what's yours. I'm sick of being stuck here doing all these chores. I want fun and adventure. I want to go away. So give me half your dosh. What do you say?"
Now his dad was sad, but was fond of his son, so he said,
"Here you are then. Go and have some fun. But remember to be careful and always be good."
But the boy wasn't listening as well as he could. He took himself off to a land far away and had himself a party every single day. He spent all of his cash on luxurious living and bought a lot of friends with his generous giving. Until one day the money was gone. There was simply no more, and the foolish rich boy found himself
Poor? What?
There was nothing left, not a penny, not one, and all of his new friends were suddenly gone. No money, no help, and miles away from home, the boy began to feel really quite alone. And just as he felt nothing worse could happen to him, a famine hit the land, and things turned really grim. So he decided to look for a job to earn his keep, and was given the task of cleaning out pigs.
Pigs?
He was smelly, he was tired, he had nothing to eat, and at last he was forced to admit defeat.
I was better off at home. That's plain to see. Even Dad's servants are better off than me.
So he made up his mind to head back for home and say sorry to his dad for going off alone.
I'd rather be punished, of that I'm sure, than spend the rest of my days shoveling manure.
So he picked himself up and headed down the road in the general direction of his former abode. But his father was watching. He saw him coming, and he opened the door and he started a running. He opened his arms to embrace his son.
"I'm sorry, Father, for the things I've done. Please don't be mad. Please don't send me away." "Quiet, my son. We must celebrate today. Bring the best robes. Let rejoicing abound. For a son of mine was lost, but now he is found."